Hello, thanks for joining us for our video on adding roofs within Vertex BD. This video will look at adding a simple hipped roof utilising the separate eave line. However, please see the next video in this series which focuses on the roof generator tool. The first step in creating a simple hipped roof is to define the eave line for it. However, first we need to ensure that we are in the 2D architectural roof modelling pair, with the walls we want to sit the roof on loaded in as a reference drawing. Once that is completed, go to the Roof Modelling tab and select the Eave Line command. Notice the options for the different roof types as well as quick options for roof overhangs displayed in the right contextual toolbar. In this example, we want a roof type for trusses, so hit this button to be taken to the parameters for that type. If the Help button is clicked, this brings up a helpful diagram for the different parameters. First, select the material code, which will allow you to select a different roof type from the pre-existing library. This will automatically change the top chord field. Next, the pitch can be altered, making sure the value entered has a capital A suffix. Alternatively, you can enter this value as a ratio. Fascia height can also be changed to suit too. Next, we can define the various height and overhang parameters. The first will be the top plate height that the roof will sit on. Either type this value in manually if known, or select the Get button to choose from the 2D or 3D models. It is easier to select from the 3D model. Simply select the wall and the plate height field will change accordingly. Next, we have a set of 3 values which need defining before using the Calculate button on the third to define that value based on all the parameters of the roof. For instance, if an overhang value is defined here, and then an over the wall height value defined here, then press the Calculate next to the eave height field to obtain the correct value. Once defined as required, click OK to begin adding the eave line. Here, simply hover near the external edge of the wall. Notice a diagonal line appears on the cursor. Click and add the line, then follow around the rest of the walls, adding the remaining lines to complete your roof as required, and confirming once selected. The final step is to add the roof itself. Roof types are available from the Roofs menu in the Modelling tab. For the purpose of this tutorial, a hipped roof will be used. It's important to pick the roof's points in the correct order to ensure the ridgeline and pitch the correct direction. Now click the 3 points, confirming afterwards, and the roof slopes will be added. This concludes our video guide on this method of adding roofs. Join us for our next video where we will take a look at the roof generation tool. Thanks for watching.